Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today RHCSA question is: create two users, Antara and Aarav, and also create a new group called students. Antara and Aarav must be joint students group as their secondary group. Note, the primary group of the users cannot be changed. Let's start. At first, switch user to root. Type user at username to create a user. Group add group name to create a group. Type user mode -a uppercase G group name username. User mode means user modification, -a means append or add. Uppercase G means add a group as a secondary. Okay, done. Let's check for confirmation. Type groups, username. We can use multiple commands in a single line separated by semicolon. Done. User have Antara as a primary group and students as a secondary group. Aarav user also have the same scenario. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeful videos. Thank you.